Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with some surprise mail, so I can only guess it's happy mail that I received from my friend Tiffany. She is Sweet Girly Things on IG, and I will link her YouTube channel in the description box below. Hi Tiff! So let's see, oh my gosh, what did you do? Love this heart packaging. Aw, she's got it wrapped in this beautiful mermaid tissue paper. Ooh. Oh, look at this. Wow, girl. Aw, is this for Valentine's? Oh, so cute. Okay, she has a card here. How beautiful. Look at this. She's got the heart popped up. So pretty. And it says, Happy Valentine's Day. It sure did put a smile on my face, girl. Thank you. Aww. I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for thinking of me. Look at all this fun. Yes, some chocolate. Woo, woo, woo. Oh, look at this pretty bowl. This is a nice bowl. I need a, well, I told myself to stop buying dyes because I have a silhouette machine and I should just learn to use the dang thing. But it's just so much easier to buy the dye and use the dye, I feel. But pretty, pretty. And then, wow, okay. So this thing is what flew out at us. Aw, look at this rosette. She has this black and white twine. Let's check this out. So I have a die that makes this, but it makes it on both sides. I wonder if, I could probably figure out how to do it one-sided like this, maybe. Let's see, let's see. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. Look at this. So cocoa butter for my lips. Thank you so much, you know, because the sun is harsh here. She knows. She lives like, well, I don't know if you live in the deserty part of Texas, but it's southwesterny and I'm sure the sun is just as hot there. Oh, look at how cute this bag is. It's a pillow box bag. This is such a good idea. Oh my gosh. She added the handles on a pillow box. It really does look like a purse pillow box. How cute is this flare button? Aw, that's a great idea. Ooh, more chocolates. Yes. Because my my little snacky jar in my craft room is running low. This is perfectly timing. Coming in clutch. Aw. Let's see, let's see. Ooh. Look at how cute this pink paper clip. With the rosette and the tulle, and then these foam flowers. Love the envelope. Oh yeah, she included some rosettes for me. I love rosettes. I don't hate making them, but I do love them. Oh, thank you for this. Girl, I love it. Oh my gosh, look at this pocket. Oh, and it's a pocket card. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, this is cool. Well, let's look in the back since it wants to come out. Oh, I love these dies. Love it, love it. It's always a win with you, my friend. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, look at these. Doilies. Yes, girl, I could use those. Those are great backings for rosettes. And then, oh, how cute is this little notebook? So cute. And then she has a little cocoa pouch here. Ooh. Ooh, yes. And another chocolate, but that can go in that. This is a cute one. I like this. Love it, love it. Aw, made by Tiffany. I love that. Cute. And then look, a pack of stickers. Oh, look at the little Nomi. That's cute. And there's some of the stuff she just gifted me. the heart die cuts. Oh, I love this. So pretty. Oh, girl, thank you so much for thinking of me. Oh, I appreciate it so much. You are so sweet. So I hope you had a great Valentine. Oh, thank you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you guys don't know Tiffany, I will leave her link in my description box below so you guys can go check her out and show her some love. As you can see, she is so talented. And then if you guys are not followers of mine, I would invite you to subscribe and join me on this crafty journey. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. I appreciate your love and support. Mahalo. For more videos like these, click here. And until my next video, shakas!